Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to assemble Pit Boss Memphis Ultimate 4-in-1 grill. This is a barbecue, and in this video I'm going to give you all the detail how to assemble this barbecue. And if you like to see this video, then without any further ado, let's get into the video. This barbecue was nicely packed and I'm so impressed with the packaging, and this barbecue was so heavy, and now we are going to take out each and everything one by one. They packed really nicely. Before you start, use a cardboard under to prevent a scratches. This is a screw kit. You can open on a back, but I open on a front because I like to share with you all the numbers. To take a number C screw and take a number 43 legs and screw on a back. You can use a screwdriver, and this is a back, and we assembled 43 number legs on a back. Easy to remember, on a back is one wire with the plug is sticking out, and the back is done. Now we are going to work on a front. This is a front looks like. Now we are going to use a wider legs on a front. You can use the same screw C8. After legs, you can attach the wheels. Curb side. Now use a oven grill facing on a front. Now use a screw A and screw on a back. 2A screw on a back. Front you can use E6. So this is a E6. It's supposed to be here and here. In a small separate box you will find out the smoker. You can use a wood chips in this, and you can put it on a front under the oven. These are two storage drawer, and first we are going to attach the handles. Use a D screw to attach the drawer handles. Use a screw E. Use a screw G and use the door hinge to attach the oven door. Push the oven door down and secure with the G screw. Now oven door is nicely attached. Now we are going to add a top grill. Don't secure this grill with the screw jet. First you can pull to open this and take out the wire, and you can attach this wire on a back. Under the grill you can go on a back. You can see the clip. You can put it in a clip, this wire, then you can attach on a bottom. Attach like this on a top in a oven. Use this black knob on a back and this screw and tight on a front. Before we skewer the grill, you can open the tie. This is a gas hose. Next, we are going to use a screw A and D to skewer the grill and legs. First, we are going to take a screw D. Use D screw on both sides. Now we are going to use a screw A to skewer the legs. Next, we are going to skewer the leg from the bottom. You can use a screw again and a screw from the bottom. When you're done here, then you can screw that is a corner for legs, then one skewer from the leg. It's supposed to be aligned with this going in a corner. Skewer with the screw, then you can add a rod from the front like this. From outside you can put this rod inside and attach with the plate, then make it tight. There is already screw, you can open this first. You can use the same screw to skewer this. Use 2 screws on a top to skewer. That screw is already there. Now we are taking a number 24 and this is for ashtray and we are going to attach on a charcoal side. Use a screw D and skewer from the top. Now we are going to use a number 26, so this going in a gas side, in upper pane side. Use a screw D and skewer on a top and make sure your plate is like this. This make sure we inside. The ashtray is flat and you can insert on a charcoal side. This is a charcoal ashtray. Before you push in, you can attach the knob. So you can open and clean. This is a grease tray for gas side. You can attach the knob first, then you can insert in. Now we attach a grease tray on a gas side and ashtray on a charcoal side, and on a back you can pull to clean, and on a bottom you can see these 2 clips. On these 2 clips you can attach a grease holder cup. So always clean whenever you're done. You can pull this and you can clean all the grease. And another grease holder tray you can insert on a front under the oven. 21 going here. So this supposed to be like this, flat on a top. And screw from the back. This is a screw on a back. Like this, flat on a top. Number 22. Side 22. Like this on a top, and the screw down there. Now we are going to attach mounting the heat tent support to the front side of gas main chamber 34 number, and going to use a screw F. Now we are going to attach a charcoal grill stand. Use a screw D and skewer on a back. Insert the charcoal rod from the outside in a number 1. Then you can use this to attach. Now these are 4 trays to install, 2 on a charcoal side, 2 on a gas side, and we are going to attach on a both side. So like this you can put it in, and with the one screw you can attach 2 tray in a middle. And this way you can attach all the plates inside in a gas side and in a charcoal side. This is a gas side and this is a charcoal side. Now we are going to add a charcoal tray, and make sure the open side you will put it on the left side. So right now here we did wrong, but later on we change it, so you can put it on a left side, the open side, and on a top we are going to use a grill. So number 2 grills going on a charcoal side. Now we are going to attach the sides. Before you attach the sides, you can install these hooks, and you can use a screw D screw here. Now you can use a screw A. First you can tight little bit, then you can attach the sides.
You can tighten the screw first, then just put it straight in. This.
Then you
tighten the screw.
This is the final result of this barbecue, and now I'm going to give you the quick view of this barbecue. I'm going to start from the bottom, and we have 2 storage drawers. This is a smoker, you can use a wood pellets in. Under the smoker, this is a grease tray. This is the electric oven. From the left, there is the 3 knobs for the burners and 1 is igniter. And here is the 1 smoker control knob. And from this rod, you can adjust the height of the charcoal tray. There is 6 hooks on both sides, and this barbecue doesn't have any side burner. You can use this space for cutting or chopping. This barbecue is 4-in-1 barbecue, gas, charcoal, electric oven and smoker, and this side is 3 burners, and this is a top shelf. And you can use this side with the gas, and another side you can use a charcoal, and this is a top shelf. And from the bottom you can adjust the height of the charcoal tray, and you can adjust the heat from 1 to 6. On each grill there is a thermometer. Before you use this barbecue, you can remove all the papers. Hope you liked today's video. If you like this video, like, comment and share. And if you're watching me from first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and I will see you in another coming video. Until then, take care guys, and bye.